Hey everyone, it's Jeff, and I've got some pretty big news. After a multiple decade long and incredible run as your tech columnist at USA Today, I'm stepping down in early January. I'd love to thank the good folks at USA Today for such a long and amazing and unprecedented run. What will I be doing next, you ask? Well, thanks for asking. The Photo Walks Travel Photography series is returning bigger and better than ever with 6 half-hour new episodes produced in association with the good folks at Rugged Entertainment. Look for the series on video on demand near you. I'll also be blogging daily at jeffersongraham.net. I'll be writing some new books and playing a lot more guitar. My Talking Tech podcast will continue with a new host, so stay tuned for that. I will have a lot more to say about this long, unprecedented run in a goodbye column that we'll be posting on January 2nd. I look forward to the challenge. It's not going to be easy to write. In the meantime, I'm not going anywhere, so the tech coverage will continue for the next few weeks at USA Today. I will be telling you about what happened this year and what's going to happen next year. And in the meantime, you know where to find me on social media at Jefferson Graham, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Thanks again, everyone.